In this video, I'll show you when to take a horse's temperature, what equipment you'll need, how to do it safely, what's normal, and when it's time to call your vet. Temperature is one of the earliest signs that something's brewing. That might be infection, inflammation, viral disease, and even sometimes early signs of colic. And the tricky part is some horses can look perfectly fine in the early stages while their body's fighting something. So this is one of the simplest, most powerful tools that you can do at home. To take a temperature, you only need a few things: a rectal thermometer, someone to hold the horse, and potentially some form of lubricant. And please do try to keep a designated horse thermometer. Don't mix it with a human one unless you're really hell-bent on losing friends. Before we start, let's think about safety. Where do we want to be stood? So ideally, I want the horse's bum pointing in this direction. I'm going to point in the same direction, and I'm going to stand tight up to the side of the horse's back legs. I'm not going to stand directly behind. Ideally, I want to be touching that back leg. Horses which may try and kick us are going to slowly lift that leg up, and they might warn us that they're about to do so, and before they actually kick out. The beauty of standing so close is that if they do kick out, if you're only stood a few inches away, you're going to get caught, but it's not going to hurt as much as if you stood 2-3 foot away when they're going to get a full swing in. If the tail feels clamped down, this is a sign that the horse is in a high arousal state. If you scratch around their tail head, they're often going to lift that tail up slowly. If the tail's clamped down quite tightly, if the horse is fractious, then maybe don't take a temperature at this point. It's definitely not worth getting kicked for. So step 1, we need to prepare the thermometer. Switch it on, make sure the battery's working. And if you need to, add a bit of lubricant. Step 2, position yourself ready to take a temperature from the horse. Like we said, we need to be stood tightly against the horse's back leg, but definitely not behind. It might be worth starting at the horse's shoulder with a quick scratch and then working our way back toward the hindquarters to make sure that we're not going to spook them. Step 3, we're going to gently lift the tail up, only in those low arousal states where they're readily going to lift the tail up freely. Again, if it's clamped down, maybe go to plan B. Step 4, insert the thermometer, but only an inch or so. You want to be 2 to 3 centimeters in there. Hold it against the rectum more, because if it's sat in a clog of poo, chances are you're going to get an insufficient reading. Horses are really good as well at either sucking thermometers in or, on the other hand, firing them out. So keep a hand on that thermometer as well to make sure you don't lose it. Step 5, wait for the beep. With your modern thermometers, this is going to take about 10-15 seconds. An older one, you might be there for 30 seconds up to a minute. Step 6, we've got the thermometer reading, so remove the thermometer, have a good look at the temperature and record it down somewhere. A normal temperature for a horse in Celsius should be 37.5 to 38.5. Foals might read a little bit higher. It's worth noting as well that exercise, stress, and even warm weather can give us an artificially high reading as well. As we start getting above 38.5, that might be a figure that requires a bit of attention. As we start getting towards 38.8, 38.9, that's when you might want to consider calling your vet. So if this fever persists, that's definitely time to call the vet, especially if it's paired with signs such as colic signs, nasal discharge, a cough, lethargy, or anything to do with a foal. And of course, if your horse won't tolerate the procedure safely. And lastly, give your thermometer a good clean, use a bit of disinfectant on it, stick it back in its sleeve, store it somewhere safe, and make sure that you keep a record of that temperature, because trends do matter. Taking a temperature is one of the most simple and important skills that as a horse owner you can do at home. And as always, if you want more practical, evidence-based horse health videos, do hit subscribe, and please feel free to check out the other Fresh Vet videos.